Guys, Ali here. Today we're gonna be unboxing a watch. So there's not pretty much to show on the box. Let's start unboxing. Strap it out. This is how the watch looks like. Now let's get the watch out. So came open. This, and out. Here's the watch, and there's instructions. And this is how the watch actually looks like without it. So that's how it looks like. And now let's see the menu. So this button, so the time is there. So this button is this button is A. The A is lights up. B has mode. So that's that. Okay. And C is reset, which I don't want to do. And start and stop means this is a second stopwatch. That means it resets. That resets and stops like that. That's pretty much the show on the watch. And it's kind of good. Let's try it on my hand. So if you see here, it's silver and it's blue. Let me light it up. Like screen. So if you're like in the dark and you need light and there's none, you can just put your watch here. And it actually looks kind of cool. And thank you guys for watching. We'll see you next time. Bye.